HowExpert Guide to Coin Collecting, the ultimate handbook for collecting rare coins, building your coin collection, and investing in numismatic treasures by HowExpert. If you're ready to collect rare coins, build your coin collection, and invest in numismatic treasures, HowExpert Guide to Coin Collecting is your ultimate resource. Whether you're a curious beginner or an experienced coin collector refining your strategies, this step-by-step guide offers the tools, techniques, and insights you need to thrive in the fascinating world of coin collecting. Introduction: discover why coins matter, who this guide is for, and how to maximize your results. Chapter 1: the history of coins and numismatics. Explore the origins of coinage, minting techniques, and famous coins that shaped history. Chapter 2: understanding coin collecting basics. Master key terms, coin anatomy, and the different types of collectors. Chapter 3: getting started with coin collecting. Learn how to build your coin collection, gather tools, budget wisely, and find your first coins. Chapter 4: identifying and grading coins. Understand grading scales, spot counterfeits, and assess coin condition and rarity. Chapter 5: key types of coins for collectors. Discover ancient, world, US, commemorative, and error coins to expand your collection. Chapter 6: rare and valuable coins. Learn how to identify rare coins, recognize key dates, and track market trends. Chapter 7: investing in coins and precious metals. Develop short and long-term investment strategies to grow wealth with coins. Chapter 8: cleaning, preserving, and displaying coins. Follow best practices to protect, store, and showcase your collection. Chapter 9: buying coins safely and smartly. Navigate auctions, dealers, and online markets while avoiding scams. Chapter 10: selling and trading coins. Maximize profits, master auction strategies, and handle legal considerations. Chapter 11: collecting ancient and medieval coins. Study ancient civilizations, decode symbols, and uncover historical significance. Chapter 12: world coins and international numismatics. Explore global designs, foreign mints, and international sources. Chapter 13: US coins and paper currency collecting. Learn about American coins, state quarters, and collectible paper money. Chapter 14: tools and resources for coin collectors. Use tools, databases, and networking to simplify collecting and valuation. Chapter 15: creating a legacy with your coin collection. Preserve your collection as a family heirloom, investment, or educational tool. Conclusion: reflect on your journey, explore the future of coin collecting, and stay inspired. Appendices: find glossaries, mint directories, grading guides, templates, and resources to expand your expertise. Why you need this guide. Confidently collect and protect coins. Learn to identify, grade, and safeguard coins while appreciating their unique history. Spot and maximize rare finds. Discover strategies to uncover valuable coins, hidden gems, and opportunities to grow your collection. Streamline and showcase your collection. Use tools and templates to organize, preserve, and display your coins effectively. Deepen your knowledge and passion. Explore niche areas and stay inspired as you grow your expertise. Build a coin collection rich in history, beauty, and value. Whether your fascination lies with ancient coins, modern designs, or rare treasures, this guide provides the tools, strategies, and knowledge to create a coin collection that's as rewarding as it is valuable. Get started today with HowExpert Guide to Coin Collecting and build a coin collection rich in history and value. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.